Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So, how is your quarantine going on?
It's a routine. You have to just stay in home, right? So I don't think anything new.
Okay. How was your Geetam experience?
Oh, it's been wonderful actually. It's been a mixed ride, but I had a lot of fun. Made a lot of new friends, and I think I grew into a much more responsible person.
So, what did you think changed in Geetam from the time you entered till now?
Uh, a lot has changed actually, but personally, the training and placement was the biggest change for me. Because our third year approach to companies was actually really good. We were trained, I think, for 2 months straight, 4 weeks, and it was really helpful during our placements.
Okay. So, how was your first interview experience? Were you nervous, confident? So, how did it go?
Yeah, every interview, you always get nervous, but you sort of ease into it. Uh, like for me, my first interview was in TCS only, and I remember I was very nervous, but the interviewers were really friendly, and I slowly blended in and actually worked out really well.
Okay, many people tell that written test is little difficult and later all the rounds will be easy for you. So how do you think? Is it easy or tough?
Let's not say it's easy or tough, but you need to be a bit more strategic in written tests actually. So what I knew was the 15 there were 15 questions in TCS, so total 45 questions, 15 in each section, and one coding question. So I know that if I can score more than 10, I'll qualify for sure. So my strategy was make sure I get at least 10 correct. The remaining 5, you can just mark it randomly. But your goal is to get 10 correct now. Instead of trying to solve everything what you know first. Then after that, you can slowly go on and what you don't know, take your time, solve that easily. But your goal is to qualify first, then score second. So you need to be more strategic while solving MCQ.
So how did you prepare for the exams?
I was trained in college itself. I did solve the problems in home, but I was trained in college itself by Q Spiders. So that was really helpful actually.
Due to this lockdown, how do you think it will affect the career of people? Like what extra preparations they need to do?
See, you have a lot of time in lockdown, so I think it's better for people to actually learn new technologies. Uh, yes, I know it's going to affect a lot of people now, but since you have a lot of free time, you should make use of it. I've been really lucky that TCS is honoring all our offer letters, and they're training me for RPA as well. So once you have a lot of time, I think it's better for people to learn something and learn new technologies. Basically, you once you learn new technologies, you're a hot cake in the market, and it's very hard for you to lose what you have.
Now we are speaking about technologies. So, what technologies do you think are famous now? Like, which are great to do?
Uh, I think there are few technologies I prefer: artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analysis, RPA. All of these technologies are burning technologies. So being trained in them is actually you're standing out from the rest because now you don't have to go and learn something new. You're already a hot cake in the market now. So I any one of these technologies, if you learn, you're actually good to go.
Okay, so according to you, what mistakes do the freshers do while going for interview?
Yeah, they take it too lightly. Uh, I still remember my first exam, the written exam I wrote. I was too overconfident, and I made a mistake in the programming. The first line of a program is hash include stdio.h, and I didn't write the hash word, so I didn't get the output of the entire program. So even though you know things, once you go there, it's a different situation. So you should not take anything lightly. Be confident, but don't be overconfident. And if you're good at this, you're set.
Okay, so finally, what suggestion you want to give your juniors? from your own experience?
You should take the training very seriously, because now it's even I've been in third year, right? So I know what mistakes I've made. So all I can say is, if you concentrate from now, for sure you'll get placed without any question. But take the training really seriously. It's going to be really helpful. All these things you'll appreciate later on when you get a job, because seeing your friends get placed is a very difficult sight for you also, and you not getting placed. So take the training really seriously, and it's really good to go.
Okay. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions and time also.
Thank you.